Para maiba naman ang breakfast, let's make tocino breakfast wrap. To make it special, gamitin natin itong na-discover ko na new yummy tender pork tocino na marinated in real pineapple juice. Tara, simulan na natin! Make the sour cream sauce by combining sour cream, spring onion, and salt. Mix lang and then set aside. Next, let's cook the scrambled eggs. After that, i-pan fry lang natin ang ating yummy tender pork tocino hanggang maging brown and caramelized. Ayan, kapag ganyan, luto na siya. Cut it into strips para madaling ilagay sa wrap. Next, let's assemble! Sa large tortilla wrap, i-layer lang natin ang ating lettuce, cucumber, tomato, scrambled egg at syempre ang yummy pork tocino. Lagyan lang natin ng sour cream sauce at i-roll natin into a wrap na kagaya nito. Ayan, next, wrap it into a foil kagaya nito. Cut it in half and serve with more sauce on the side. O diba? Super easy, super quick, and super yummy. Kain na tayo!